there's a big problem with environmental waste or e-waste. Did you do some research into that? Is that, I mean, if they're throwing, I mean, there's got to be a lot of pregnancy tests out there being done, and women are just throwing these away, and they're going right into the trash, and the batteries are going right into the landfill. Have you done some research on the scale of that problem and the solution that, you know, biofuel cell could provide for these manufacturers?
We have. So the pregnancy test is a great example. I mean, the leader at the moment is selling between 5 and 10 million units per year of digital pregnancy tests, and these contain 2 batteries. You then have digital ovulation tests or fertility testing. Again, these contain batteries. When we started to look at the market research for miniature batteries, the numbers were quite staggering. So for portable primary batteries, which are non-rechargeable, the number's 15 billion of these batteries either end up in landfill or incineration. And then miniature batteries, which are kind of the coin or button cell batteries, on average 97% of these end up in landfill or incineration. Now, originally it was quite difficult to get down to these numbers, because in fact lots of people collect these miniature batteries to be recycled, but the reality is they're not recycled. They're shipped across to other countries where they're then put into landfill. The reason being, they're very complicated to recycle. The amount of valuable material inside the miniature batteries is minute, which means it's actually often unecological to recycle them. They actually require more energy to recover any value. So like that, they either end up being burnt or buried, which is terrible for the environment. And this is really where BeFC steps in to provide our organic paper-based biofuel cells as a sustainable solution for these single-use and low-power electronic devices.
So some of these batteries are lithium batteries that contain heavy metals, huh?
Lithium for sure, and there's a whole other aspect to lithium mining and purification, but often some alkaline-based batteries, and these can often have quite nasty electrolytes. So the conductive liquid between the terminals can be potassium hydroxide, for example, and this can be very harmful not only to humans, but also to aquatic life and plant life.